Today we're cooking up some smashed potatoes and gravy, so stay tuned. To start, I cubed some red potatoes and I just boil these potatoes for 25 minutes until they are tender. While the potatoes are cooking, I add some oil to a pan, throw in some onion, some garlic, and I'll saute them for 10 minutes until they're brown. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now you can add your seasoning. You need salt, black pepper, and thyme. Add in some flour, mix it. Now you can add in some sherry. Let this cook for 12 minutes until the wine reduces and the sauce will start to thicken. After the sauce thickens, you can add some coconut milk. Stir in some mushroom. Now we can finish the potatoes. Drain the water from the potatoes, then give them a rough mash. Add a bouillon cube and some seasoning. Make sure the seasoning is mixed through your potatoes. Add in some vegan milk.
Now mix it, mix it, mix it.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget,